Sincere salutations to respected jury. As we know, some parts of our country faces consistent floods and some parts encounter drought more than others. Due to lack of inadequate water storages, plenty of water in rivers goes to seed without usage. Today, I Hansen Kapoor of Montfort School, Delhi is going to present a PowerPoint presentation in front of you on the topic Can Betwa Project Linking or Nature-Human Distancing. Ken Betwa are the two rivers originating in Madhya Pradesh and flowing through Bundelkhand region of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh before meeting Yamuna. Ken Betwa is the name of the first linking area under the Major River Linking Project, which is proposed to link 37 Indian rivers with the help of 30 river links. This project diverges the surplus water of Ken Basin to the water deficit area of Betwa Basin. Bundelkhand region lies between these two rivers is drought-prone. Ken River has surplus water to irrigate more than 7 lakh hectares of land in Bundelkhand region. It was first introduced by the former Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and has been set into the motion by present Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. With efforts of National Water Development Agency, a tripartite memorandum on the preparation of the project was signed on 25th August 2005. The aim of this project is to provide irrigation facilities for the drought-prone areas of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. This scheme is immensely valuable to the people. It would help in replenishing groundwater as it would provide irrigation facilities in over 6 lakh hectares of cultivating land. Also, it would help mitigate drinking water problems in the dry regions by providing water supply for drinking purposes to 30 lakh people in Bundelkhand and would generate 78 megawatt of hydroelectric power that can be used as a good source of electricity both for domestic and industrial purposes. The major problem with the Ken-Betwa linkage is that it would result in the submergence of 4,600 acres of the Panda National Park, which is one of the few tiger reserves that exist in our country. The project requires a heavy investment which is worth a fortune, and that investment can be directed towards other fields of development also. Height of the dam will affect the nesting sites of vulture. Submergence by Dhaudan and Makodia reservoirs will result into the displacement of 20,000 people of the Bundelkhand region and will give rise to rehabilitation issues. The project has also been widely criticized as a similar project, the Tagus Segura scheme from central Spain, which was executed for transferring water, failed in its efforts to resolve the water crisis. Thus, conservationists use this as an example to substantiate their disagreement. Another notable argument in disregard of this project is the bureaucratic mismanagement in the Indian government, which can be seen by our past experiences of numerous scams. Article 262, Part 1 of the Indian Constitution deals with the adjudication of interstate water disputes. And Article 262, Part 2 holds that neither Supreme Court nor any other court shall exercise jurisdiction in respect of interstate water disputes. Water being a state subject requires a mutual water sharing arrangement between two riparian states. As per my views, the interlinking project has the biggest advantage that it will relocate water from flood-prone to drought-affected regions, so that it would benefit the farmers for irrigation purposes and would also provide drinking water to the people in the drought-prone regions. But the major concern is that what all can be risked for this benefit. The project requires a heavy investment, which is worth a fortune, and that investment can also be made towards other fields of development if we disregard the investment to this project. Also, it would cause a great environmental damage to the forest area, tiger reserve, and destroy various human establishments and tigers' natural habitat. Another notable argument in disregard of this project is the level of corruption and bureaucratic mismanagement in the Indian government, which can be seen by our past experiences of numerous scams. Thus, leaving this large investment in few hands may yield us no returns and might turn into another scam. But there are also few chances that this project might be actual work good in benefiting the drought-affected regions if it is worked on properly and efficiently basis. This clearly is a question which can be only be answered after monitoring the progress of this project in the coming future years. Till then, it can only be hoped that this low-paced project turns into a great investment.